Today we're going to be testing out the brand new MIFO S ANC earbuds. Ooh, yes indeed. But before we do, please support this channel by smashing a like on this video just now, making sure to hit that subscribe button, yeah. So these MIFO S earphones, they've all the usual features like touch functions, noise cancelling microphones, and they are rated as being IP67 waterproof. Now these particular ones today are indeed the sports model. They do have a funky design that certainly stands out, but you can also receive these MIFO S earphones in black, blue, dark green and a white colour tone too. Inside the package, like a lot of wireless earbuds these days, we get a watch-like case, which makes displaying the earphones look that little bit more luxurious. We get a frosted protected window with the earphone sitting just underneath. As you can see, there is that MIFO S logo printed upon it. But before we get to the earphones, let's see what accessories we get. Again, lovely packaging. As you can see just here, it actually tells you what's in it, such as ear tips, a user guide and a charge cable. Let's see if it's true. Yes, indeed, we get a MIFO S user manual, which gives us a real precise guide on how to pair the earphones to your device, and also explains how to use all of the touch functions. Yeah, very informative. What's this? We get a little satisfaction card. Happy, unhappy? Well, I don't know just yet. 1, 2, 3. Now we do get 3 sets of small, medium and large ear tips. Obviously, I do think that there's going to be some already fitted, so that's 4 sets in total. And lastly, just like the rest of the packaging in this luminous green colour, we get a very vibrant, flat, fast charging USB to Type-C charge cable. Let's go ahead and take a little gander at the earphones then. Oh, wow. Well, they certainly are different, I give them that. So we get a round pebble-like design charge case. To the top it says sports and outdo, with a lot of sports related words printed upon it, such as skateboard, dance, football, obviously music. To the rear there is that Type-C charge port, but to the front, what is this? Oh, it's a button. Ah, oh, that's well cool. Oh, look at that action. Let's see it in slow-mo. Oh yeah, baby, open it again, slowly. Anyway, it does say underneath the lid, yeah, that's in plain English, active the earphones, open the cover, 3 seconds later, take out the earphones. To reset them, when the earphones no sound, put them into charge case and close the cover for 3 seconds and then take them back out. So just a simple little helpful guide included, but as we close the lid and open it up once again, you do have the charge case's battery level indication lights. As you can see, the case already comes fully charged. The hinge feels, I would say, fairly stable. And as you can see, you've got those very tiny earbuds that are embedded within a charge case itself. Let's just take them out. And by the way guys, when you do take these out after pairing them to your device, just like so, which is done swiftly using those internal Bluetooth 5.2 chips. When you place these earphones back in the charge case and close the lid, when that lid is opened back up, these earphones should then connect to that connected device automatically. But yeah, deep embedded sockets, the earphones are pulled in magnetically, but I will note after placing them in and out a couple of times, we did have to fiddle with them for a few seconds, just to make sure that those rear charge connections on the back of the earphones are fully lined up with those charge connections within the charge case sockets. But yes, very bold looking earphones, that is in comparison to the other colours that are available, but we actually do welcome a difference on this channel. So personally, I do like the design, especially if you're going to be working out with them. By the way, these are perfectly sound to use in the rain, or even when you're showering in the morning. But with regards to the fitment, because these earphones are so tiny, when the earbuds are placed within your ears, they don't fall out no matter how much you shake your head. You see? Oh, my eyesight. Oh, need to get my cataract sorted. I mean, when these are placed within your ears, apart from the obvious sound seal, you do forget that they're actually in. They're that light. They weigh 3.5 grams. A really good fit, and that's thanks to that ergonomic ear-shaped design. Now first of all, let's talk about the touch functions. Now when these are placed deep within your ears, the touch functions can be somewhat hard to touch. But when they are pressed, you do get such functions like play, pause, call answering. With a double tap of either one of the earphones, you do get 2 active noise cancellation functions, So we get mild and strong, after again holding one of the earbuds touch functions for around 1 second. Now for safety, you do have a transparency mode, so you can be free to listen to some music in or around your workplace, and you'll be able to hear people talking to you, or even more importantly, use the earphones within your home and be able to still hear any type of fire alarm, etc. As well as these functions, you also get a latency mode function, which should be great for gaming, and we also get a volume control function by tapping one of the earphones once, and the previous and next track selections by triple tapping the earphones. Lastly, this is the most important one for me, we also get a sleeping mode too. So if you're like me and you like sleeping on your side when you're taking a nap, place the earphones in, you don't have to have any music playing whatsoever, and yeah, it should shut off some of the noise around you, keeping you locked in your little dreams. But enough of that, what's the music like? Well, after testing these earphones at home and at work for the past couple of days, I've got to be quite truthful about the music quality. Although these earphones are not super loud, I would say that the audio quality is above average. Okay, the bass is not really thunderous and deep, but it is certainly good pristine music quality. So we've got above average high tones, fantastic mid tones, with low tones that are pinpoint to detail. Now I'm not going to try and say that these earphones are as fantastic as some of the most expensive earphones on the market just now, but I do think that they are good enough to fit within an average price earphone category. Obviously when you got that ANC mode on, the music quality will drop just a little, the high tones will sit just a bit further back, and for usage time, well, out of the 6 hours that was stated, we did in fact only get 3 hours 35 minutes out of a full charge, but that is while using 100% volume consistently. Now regardless of the strong and mild ANC modes, you will get a shorter battery life, so expect to get only 2 hours 20 minutes out of a full charge with that ANC mode on, with a little longer using that transparency mode. Now we've not managed to use the full charge within that charge case, but we have in fact recharged these earphones around about 3 times so far. I think you'll get around about 2 more charges from that charge case, but going back to the ANC mode, it does work actually fantastically using those built-in 6 microphones. So we've got 3 microphones on each one of the earphones, which will also detect and silence outside noise. It does a fantastic job with the ANC. And not only that, the built-in microphones help provide you with above average microphone quality too. So no, there's no latency issues whatsoever, but considering that the MIFO S earphones are £130, that's around 152 in US dollars. I actually do think that what you get for the money, you do get a lot of built-in features. I'm glad that these include all of the touch functions that you would expect with higher priced earphones. And although that price does seem a bit steep, for the past couple of days we've not really had, if all, any faults with the earphones. The only small little disruption that we did have is that we did have on 2 occasions a slight disruption with the left earphone transmission. It disconnected and reconnected a couple of times, and that is actually within being in close proximity to our mobile device. Now we did switch over to one of the latest mobile phones, which is the Samsung S20 FE, and that connection was in fact more stable. So it all really depends on which mobile phone you use and what type of Bluetooth connection you've got with your device. Right now with this Samsung mobile phone, we've not really had many issues. Okay, we've had to set the sound equalizer to our most preferred setting just to get the best audio quality out of the earphones, and that is the other aspect that we would say needs improving. It would be better to have an included app. But yeah, overall, I do like the bold design. Okay, it might not be for some, they are very comfortable to use, and you know what, I think I can recommend them. That is, if you've got the money to splash out. Now guys, I have left a link in the video description down below for you guys to go ahead and check these earphones out for yourself. They're well worth taking a look. By the way, I'm not affiliated in any type of way. But if you have liked what you've seen within this review video today, well, go down to that mentioned link and, well, go get yours. While you're in that video description, guys, it means so much if you please like and share this video right now. Not only that, show some support by clicking that subscribe button. Bearing in mind to hit that bell notification option so you guys stay updated on all our new uploads. Now, it has been absolutely a treat reviewing these earphones this week. And guess what, we've got some more earphone reviews coming in the next few days, so stay tuned for those bad boys. As usual guys, I hope you all stay safe, and thank you ever so much for watching. Peace! To the rear there is that Type-C charge port.